In this video we are gonna color a flower shop coloring page from my coloring page bundle, link in the description. The colors I will use: warm grey, raw sienna, burnt umber, Naples yellow, yellow, coral, red ochre, red geranium, olive green. So I will start by coloring the windows with Naples yellow. I put just some scribbles, and then with olive green I also do some scribbles, and then I will clean the brush, and with wet clean brush I will blend the colors together, and it will look like this nice bright light is coming from the window, but also a bit of greenery. And I am putting like a light layer of the colors because later I will be coloring over them, and I will do the same for the windows in the door. For the flowers I will use red geranium, coral and yellow color. For the moment I am just adding color to the outside flowers while the window is still drying, and I just add random dots and blobs as flowers. Now with raw sienna I will color the sign, florist, and the chair outside. Oh, and also that flower mix bag outside, and I will add a bit of color to one side, and then with clean wet brush smudge blend out the color. Now I'm gonna use burnt umber, and I will color in the tree trunks on both sides and the little wooden boxes that are on the chair, and also the frame of the sign inside the window. With the yellow color I will color the doorknob and the mailbox, and also flowers inside the window because it has dried. And also I will add some red geranium to the flowers that are like in the vases at the background. Also just random dots and blobs. For the flower pots I am using red ochre, but I leave some empty because I want those to be grey. So not all of the flower pots I will color with red ochre. So for the greenery I am using olive green, and I just try to color in between the flower dots we made earlier, and I also add some random dots outside the lines because I think it looks more interesting. So now I will use warm grey. The building is white in real life with grey roof, so I will color that, but I don't want the building to be just plain white. So I really watered down the warm grey and I will add it to the facade in some spots, some darker, some lighter. Then I also add a light layer of warm grey for the ground, the pavement, and color in the rest of the flower pots. I wanted to add more dimension to greenery, so with olive green I am just adding one more layer, but I let the previous layer shine through. Then I mixed warm grey with burnt umber to make the grey a bit darker, and I am adding shadows. So think of where your light source is and draw some shadows. And for the window shadows I am using burnt umber mixed with olive green. And at the end I added some splatters with all the colors, not all the colors, like green, yellow and red. Added the splatters with those colors to the drawing, and the coloring page is finished. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial and thank you for watching. Bye!